How often should I moisturize my scabbing tattoo?
When getting a new tattoo, it's essential to properly care for it to ensure it heals well and maintains its vibrant appearance. One crucial aspect of tattoo aftercare is moisturizing. In this video, we'll discuss how often you should moisturize your scabbing tattoo and provide some helpful tips for proper aftercare.
What is a scabbing tattoo?
A scabbing tattoo is a normal part of the healing process after getting inked. Scabs form as the body's natural response to protect the wound, and they will typically start to appear a few days after getting the tattoo.
Why is it important to moisturize a scabbing tattoo?
Moisturizing a scabbing tattoo is essential for several reasons. 1. Promotes healing. Keeping the area hydrated helps promote the healing process and can prevent excessive scabbing. 2. Prevents infections. Moisturizing can help maintain a clean environment, reducing the risk of infections. 3. Reduces itching. Dry and tight skin can be itchy, which can lead to scratching and damage to the tattoo. Moisturizing helps alleviate itching and irritation.
How often should I moisturize my scabbing tattoo?
To ensure your tattoo heals properly, you should moisturize your scabbing tattoo 2 to 3 times per day. It's essential not to over-moisturize, as this can lead to a soggy scab and delay the healing process. Ensure you are using a gentle, fragrance-free, and alcohol-free lotion or ointment specifically designed for tattoo aftercare.
Tips for moisturizing your scabbing tattoo.
1. Clean your hands. Always wash your hands thoroughly before touching your tattoo to prevent introducing bacteria to the area. 2. Clean the tattoo. Before moisturizing, gently clean your tattoo with mild soap and water. Pat dry with a clean towel or paper towel. 3. Apply a thin layer. Apply a thin layer of moisturizer to the tattoo, gently massaging it into the skin. Be sure not to apply too much, as this can cause the scab to become soggy. 4. Avoid picking or scratching. Do not pick or scratch at your scabbing tattoo, as this can cause damage and prolong the healing process. Proper aftercare is crucial for a healthy, vibrant tattoo. By moisturizing your scabbing tattoo 2 to 3 times per day with a gentle, fragrance-free lotion or ointment, you'll promote healing, reduce itching, and help prevent infections. Remember to always keep the area clean and resist the urge to pick or scratch at your scabbing tattoo. Happy healing!